Obokata. Yeah. Baby no na ba na na wonim see so call who said na yera kinofrate kokot.
Yes.
It's a rice Ghana or picketing a kosonya de ketwa.
I don't do the same.
E wakota boboa no.
Oh so.
Say omo sheda omo mono retain.
Okay.
Emra no me fisi justice. Nti twen kwa nkosi no do prem to bread ye. Na yehu de court naka.
Yeah.
Ye de beba beto atifu.
Good.
Nti emu ana ye won.
So tell daily guide said there.
Oman daily guide de boa man ye obeka ya hit good fields. Womo ebenya womo ho sensem ba pa late last year mo honi ade adwumefo bi akane adwumefo na wo hon ma management esesa ye no womo cheso makatua ne ye ho sensem nyame adom hit good fields at the 136 million Ghana cedis akotua adwumefo kane adwumefo no womo akotua obi aka ya kakakakra no womo di womo kanyina no matua intora Patrick Apia Mensa and the managing director Mahid Goodfields infoni eda asemi ho a da bokreta yi ebomu amane na Isaac Buama nyako omano no so the suggestion bi etum ono de wose no krenie nkebe ya mpanyifo numa womo agina wo NPP amanyokonim na memende be na wohwe womo ekwa abato so na party na kwakoye mu ba ko se frankatuni no ko mo mfo nsa sesumdua pamase omo mfa nsa enhye asumdue apamase na ono ne efia constituency emra sebedwani esanse ensem kekane bi ene se de anoma toro man hwe yo beto aba ne bewie no na akwakofa nsem bebraba na kabuma party ne hiade akọ 2028 no omo anya ne sa eno na yewra Isaac Buama nyako eka ewo ha na edanchen so a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na wo chefo ne da ya yewra na po eka ne ho ha na party chitafo bi wono so guso an obro eye entwenim ye asumdue twene ti babia druidie omunyina ehye se bibia nkwa na wiye no party no bekoso anya sumdue na omode enkabom ayadwuma na 2028 no omode enkunim eno so wa sei na oman samejemfi enfoni eda ha wokoda bokata ni fight to sunsi obo amane se small scale miners no goda na womunya efie kakra atwa mu no na emu ohamu chichimu aduokro enwotwe 98% eko Dubai eni India. Nti omotu awie no na gold ni nyina no masesa de ko bi man so se the gold board buy no o masakra ne mamu licenses a omode ma ne se de task force egumu no wotumu hunu se de na ke from mai mu kwa bonti ni nyina no aka Ghana ha ya eno ena no so amanebo aba omodi enchimu eba gold board nsa no adwuma ene ensakra ya wode aba ewo ye fom agudie ene gold dwadi mu no sa ne no so no etie na wo hwema election what Ghana enso edaha omo chese tension ewo NPP mu pa oman omo se tension wom na tension asa akwakodina candidate ni bi akate omo so ekasa efa ho ese party ne ewo dwumaye party no ewo asudie enti omo enhwe se won betoto eniema na bibia nkwa wieye no asumdwe bekoso atena party nim da bokata yi eka eho asem eye the insight ebo emuama ne na oman the overseer mametia okechuku babie wo bia na mefa nkwa de feto so miensa usia wa heya na yete se emrase bedwani a wo ayawasu east yebra mahama nasa ture panyi wadan benkum so am yape no kra brani ade na oman branch executives a wo constituency honom no efre Hajia Amina Adams ono na oye alaje owuye ne here eso me contest
is a norm. Yes, a norm. We should not promote those things. They're very unhealthy.
Sir.
Yeah, to me.
Man said, also much say. Base 2 years in year now. Nani kunu entimin komano.
It's not healthy.
Be 2 years nani kunu komano. No one the fight you want to turn also a G party for a 2 a boy ni kunu.
That does not qualify somebody to become a member of parliament. Let's be frank.
Sir.
You are some near canoe. The best thing you can do for your husband is say so Kujinamana. And that has been with our political
legacy.
Oh, please. What legacy? Let's stop that. We are losing that fiber. It's very dangerous for us. Ye dia grow baby a man yourself de be kwa kudru no. Yes, sign a big problem for us. I'm not in to say so on corner, but I feel that where we find ourselves, party we ba no Abena they be had unfortunately for us. I mean, a man in question, man to talk from sir. Unfortunately. And the best replacement when we are not there is for our wives to continue. What are they going to continue?
The legacy
is that what the constituency or the community needs? No. It can't be automatic like that. And he promote to Sardian as Oman
sympathy.
Yeah, what? The sympathy, the understanding.
But man who say NSC committee.
But that's what I'm saying. Of course.
Mini interest.
But clearly so.
But man into no decision to make.
Well, sometimes it's not your decision. Sometimes you are pushed to join that bandwagon. And then you to nipa do don't for kwang ba akon say on there kwang papa. Let's be careful. Let's be careful. And e won sunsan so. Ade bia ye wo ya manyo semuni abrabo no. E won sunsan so say the abrabo tie no. You the light and the heavy aspect. You the black and the white aspect. You the positives and the negatives. Ade bia share negatives no outweigh positives no. Just take a real look at it. And you're healthy.
Omanu said nanu ya me ko Sierra Leone yi as we speak no. The first lady of Adom no or contested to become the flag bearer.
Another conversation. Another conversation. Yeah, but wow.
Our campaign in the India says there's a new second term into Uncobium into a ban of person or Beshan and I.
That reverence. That reverence, maybe a year to the J. James. We take a lot of things for granted. Well,